That's,
This is Oliver.
yeah.
This is Roomba.
Wow.
And that's Lucy.
Yeah.
I'll show them how you fly.
Oh, wow. That's beautiful.
He is.
Wow. How old are they?
He's 6, he's 17, and she's in her 30s.
What?
She's old.
Yeah.
Wow. What's your guys' names?
I'm Stella, and that's Sam.
Okay. I'm Mav. Yep. Wow, they're beautiful.
Good.
Absolutely.
Thanks.
See if I can get a closer up. Did they talk?
A little bit.
You guys talk?
Roomba, can you say hello?
Say,
Sometimes.
say hello.
That's not a big joke.
Not
Okay.
so much in public.
If I can get 1 minute of time on here, I'll be good. That's awesome. Wow. And they don't want to try to fly away or anything?
They got leashes, but they
Okay.
are fully flighted.
Oh, wow.
So they got all that color there.
Oh, they're beautiful.
He's got all the color in his tail.
Wow.
And
And what kind are they?
these two are Eclectus, and she's a military macaw.
Really?
Yeah.
She's a big one.
Wow. Say hello.
Can you say hi?
Say hi. That's cute.
There you go.
Say hi. You're beautiful. Can you say you're beautiful? Wow. Well, we thank you guys a lot.
Alright,
Thank you.
enjoy.
Yep. Thank you.